So good morning guys, first of all happy 75th Independence Day to all of you. Today we are going to celebrate this national festival in the University of Hyderabad. So let's tour how do we celebrate, how campus cheers up and how do we remember our martyrs. So this is the entry gate, you can see that.
I would like to mention here a few significant achievements of the university in the recent times. Institution of eminence. We have been
And the
transformed
parking area,
in the prestigious
security and all
institution
ambulances here,
by the government of
professors,
India.
this is security
These
man.
are encouraging indicators. Our
So
goal
let's
is to
enter
compete
and
with global institutions
celebrate
and prepare
Independence
our
Day.
students to be academically brilliant,
Proper guidelines is maintained, sanitization
and
is
also
there.
responsible citizens. Since the conference of the status, IOE,
So let's celebrate the 75th Independence Day. Enters.
सैनिटाइज करो
हाँ, ये हमारे व्यासदेव भैया हैं, रिसर्च स्कॉलर.
सैनिटाइज करो
To the chief guest. Now I request the Honorable Vice Chancellor Vice Chancellor to kindly inspect the guard of honor. हैदराबाद विश्वविद्यालय के कुलपति प्रोफेसर वीजे राव सलामी गारद का निरीक्षण करते हुए I welcome Registrar Shri P. Sardar Singh onto the dais. गणमान्य अतिथियों का स्वागत है. I welcome Professor Basudkar Jagdishwar Rao ji onto the dais and I request Ms. Hasini to present a flag and bouquet to him.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता.
Independence Day. I now request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to address the gathering and share his precious thoughts.
So after the flag hosting, now VC sir will address the gathering.
Dear colleagues, my dear students, and members of the University of Hyderabad community, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, this is my very first address to you on this occasion. Thank you all for all the warm affection and reception I received. While I discovered the university, I also discovered enormous talent and opportunities to harness in the system. Thank you very much. Greetings to all of you. I am delighted to address you on this 75th Independence Day of our dear nation, our Bharat. Let us pay tributes to our leaders who brought us independence and freedom, and to our institutional leaders who built
Here you can add the flags and pin as he has
for
been adding.
about 2,328 seats. That is about 25 applications received per every in the university on an average.
Now after the flag hosting, VC is
In addition to
addressing the
augmenting the
gatherings.
publication indices,
and people are here
which are
sitting.
crucial,
After this
we will
distribution
also
ceremony
contribute
and
a
small
substantial
cultural
form
events will be
to the
held by
knowledge pool
Kendriya
of the country and the
Vidyalaya,
world.
University of Hyderabad students. So see you guys
The
after
Department of
that.
Sanskrit
Sweets
Studies
will be
has already
distributed.
launched its first
So
institution of
that's all
eminence course.
for the
The
Independence
title
Day.
is We Live, You Live,
Stay
and
tuned
the
for
Live
upcoming
Others.
videos.
Many more, I believe, will be launched soon.
Make our India beautiful and
Rankings.
proud.
Our university matches global standards, made possible with consistently good quality research
So that's
and
all
teaching.
celebration of University of
In the
Hyderabad.
QS rankings
Independence Day.
2022, we are currently
So here
in the
sweets will be distributed in 5 to 10
651-700
minutes.
range globally, with 4 of our departments, namely English,
And in this
Physics,
area,
Math
children will
Science, and
perform some
Chemistry
cultural activities.
in the subject rankings as well.
That
Dr. Surajit Dhara, professor in School of Physics, has been selected as an honoree on the Asian Scientist 100 list in the 2021 by Asian Scientist magazine. Two of University of Hyderabad faculty continue mandate encourages, making us a truly global player in higher education. While implementing NEP, our challenge is to focus simultaneously on the metrics of performance as well as on qualitative performance. Conclusion: the university is now 47 years young and is regarded as one of the top universities in India in the area of higher education, achieving honors and attaining standards that are a benchmark for other institutions. Let us all
एकता हो। सदियों से जिसने प्रेम, अहिंसा, सत्य का संदेश दिया हो और जिस देश में कभी किसी पर युद्ध न थोपा हो, ऐसे महान भारत को असहिष्णु कहकर सदियों पुरानी अपनी विरासत का अपमान करने वालों, कृपया सुन लो।
इंडिया मेरी शान, इंडिया प्राण, इंडिया मेरी जान, इंडिया जय हो इंडिया, आई लव माय इंडिया, अतुल्य इंडिया, आई लव माय इंडिया। प्रेम के झरने हैं, धर्म की किरणें हैं, हवा संस्कारों की, फिजा त्योहारों की।
This is the finally sweets we got here. You can see that Dr. Bicha Reddy. This is pure ghee sweets, and inside it is snack and one sweet. So that's all. Here we end the celebration of Independence Day in University of Hyderabad. People are dispersing. You can see that with the sweets. Everybody is having sweets in their hands. So that's all, guys. Thank you. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.